Welcome to Watch This. Do you find your Apple Watch face too busy? Is the text difficult to read? Is there too much going on in terms of watch apps and complications? In this video, I'm going to show you 3 quick tips to simplify your Apple Watch face. Are you struggling to read the text on your watch? You can make adjustments to the text size and boldness to better meet your needs. Go to Settings, Display, and Brightness. There you can toggle bold on for better text contrast and also adjust the text size. The same adjustments can be made through the Apple Watch iPhone app. Go to the Watch app on the phone, go to My Watch, and Display and Brightness. There you can adjust the text size and toggle bold on for better text contrast. By the way, you can also adjust text size from the Control Center. To access the Control Center in watchOS 10 or later, press the flat side button. In an earlier OS, swipe up from the bottom edge of the screen to access the Control Center. In the Control Center, scroll down until you see the text button with an AA on it. Press this button to adjust the text size to your liking. If you do not see the AA button, you may need to add it to your control panel. To add another button, scroll to the bottom of the Control Center and press Edit. This is where you'll see any additional control panel buttons that you can add as a shortcut. Here's another issue that Apple Watch users often struggle with: the app grid. Are all those tiny app icons too much to find the app that you need? Try using the View for List instead of Grid. Go to Settings and App View on your watch, and then check the Grid or List view. An added benefit of List View is that it will have the name of the app written alongside its icon in alphabetical order. This makes applications super easy to find. The same adjustments can be made through the Apple Watch iPhone app. Go to My Watch app and then App View to check either Grid or List View. Speaking of applications, are you a little overwhelmed with too many little app complications on your watch face? Try simplified watch faces with a single app or complication then. The X Large watch face is a great option. From the watch, you can press down on your watch face and scroll right to the plus to add a new watch face. Customize then to add extra large face, for example. You can add one app on the extra large face for a clean interface with limited distractions. Example, I've created an extra large watch face. So we can scroll down to the very bottom with extra large here. We add it. We can then customize the background to our liking. We can choose different numerals, different colors, add custom colors. And finally, add a complication. In this case, I will add the activity rings as an example. This is even easier to do on the iPhone through the Apple Watch app. You can go to the face gallery in the app and scroll to find the extra large face. And then once selected, you can customize it with numerals, color, and a single complication. And there you have it. To simplify your watch face, try adjusting the font, using the app list rather than the grid, and create a watch face with a large font and one often used app. For more useful Apple Watch tips, subscribe and check out the other videos on this channel. Thanks for watching!